this, a wood chipper at its finest. The wires has to be so close to my house. It's right on the next neighborhood. The world's creepiest sounding wood chipper ever. Oh, it's blurry. Even my tree is scared. This is the scariest wood chipper ever. The creepiest sounding wood chipper. Hey, we got a wood chipper and a street sweeper. What a duel. Little surprise from the street sweeper. Here, let's get closer. There. This is what I left behind. Some mud and all. I like how you're able to hear the fan up, the vacuum of the street sweeper and the chipper of the wood chipper. You're able to hear both. Wood chipper down there, street sweeper down there. Soon it'll be coming down here. So yeah, that's something. I want to tell you something. Well, never mind. Right when I was opening up the window so I can let you guys hear the wood chipper again, it shut down. So you're only able to hear the street sweeper from a distance. I wanted to say that I like how the street sleeper, the vacuum of the street sleeper, along with the wood chipper itself, the motor of it at least, or the fan, I don't know. I like how they both have the same sort of tone, but the wood chipper has a higher tone. So yeah, that's something that I want to see, that I want to let you guys listen to, but nope. Looks like it's done. We only gotta wait for the street sleeper again. But I don't know if I'm going to record it, and I don't know. I think I'm just going to enjoy it for myself. Earlier, I was just on the couch playing on my phone. I hear something that sounds like the street sleeper, and I was just like, "Oh, never mind. That's just a wood chipper again." But I got closer, so I was just like, "Oh crap!" So, yeah, come to find out that was a street sleeper. Yeah, I love the street sweeper. Yes, I do. Even though I'm not a street sweeper enthusiast, that used to come they used to come by all the time back when I was little, and I just love the sound of it as well. It just sounds so cool. So yeah, now you just hear some now you just hear some leaf blower now. What a shame. So that's gonna be in unless the wood chipper gets some started up again. Here, let's get closer. There. Ah, yes, it came back. It's going to come back to take care of that leafy mess. So I may wait. I think I'm just going to watch it myself.